So the battery's about to die, so I'm going to do what I can to try and get this done in as quick of a time as possible. If you are looking to try and leverage your audience in a way that allows for you to make money without necessarily having to sell your soul, this video is definitely for you. Instagram influencing as a micro influencer, TikTok influencing as a micro influencer, and YouTube has money to be made even before the platforms themselves monetize you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in because you're like, oh my God, I want to be a brand influencer, stick around because this is for you. Hey friends, my name is Jillian DeFutt. I'm here to help your mommypreneurs, your entrepreneurs, people who are just trying to figure out how to be able to monetize their current platform, their current following, or in general, for you to just make money. Because I'm telling y'all, pandemic done taught us a bunch of things. One of them is make money. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, this whole channel is about how to make dollars and how to maximize your business in a way that feels good for you without being overwhelming. Hit that subscribe button because I know you're gonna like this content. If you've been here before, what are you waiting for? You love me already. Hit the subscribe. I'm here to support you. Also, I'm trying to get this video upvoted essentially in YouTube and their algorithm. So the more likes that we get, the more that YouTube sees it. I know that they're already seeing it because my content is being consistent. So just go ahead and hit that like button. I'm trying to be more algorithm situation. So thanks in advance. All right, so let's just get right into it. YouTube marketing. Instagram influencing, TikTok promotions. What is all of this stuff and how do you cash in on one of the slickest markets in the game right now? That, my friends, is one of the easiest answers to the question. You can ask just about any brand that's out there to pay you for posting. Does not matter your following. Why? Is because the smaller your audience, the more that they know that your audience is engaged, which means as long as you're consistent with your posting and it's brands that you already like anyway, you are able to kind of leverage that in a way where they know that they're going to get more sales from people that have a higher engaged audience. The larger your audience is, the less engagement that you end up having. How do you know? You look at like people who have 1 million followers, right? And they may have, sometimes they only have like 20,000 people engaged, which is like a 2% engagement. So I would highly encourage you that if you have a smaller audience, to cash in on this game. If you thought that you couldn't be an influencer because of the fact that you don't have like 15,000, 16,000, 35,000 followers, you can. So I'm gonna break that myth right now. I'm gonna link in the description box below some websites to get in touch with that are literally right now leveraging the platforms of micro influencers for apartment hunting or shopping or just about anything. Making money on Instagram or TikTok or anything like that is fairly simple right now. All you have to do is fill out an application on one of these websites and they'll go and get in touch with you, or if you have a manager, but most micro influencers do not have a manager. But if you do have a manager, they get in touch with you or your manager and start talking money. In a month off of TikTok or Instagram or anything like that, there's even like new drop shipping people that are going to leverage your audience, that they will pay you money up front. So it would be either 50% retainer or the full cost depending upon how much you ask for. You can ask for anywhere from $80 a post. That's $960, so approximately $1,000 that you could make in a month from brand partnership. Not every post needs to be brand partnership, but you could ask for that. You could even make $500 extra dollars, but that is passive income that you don't have to work your butt off for. You could make more than that depending upon your following. So if you have like 500 followers, then $80 is appropriate. If you're looking into like 1,300 followers, then you can ask for maybe like $200 a post or $400 a post, whatever you feel like it's going to be good for you. If you are in this influencing situation, you also want to make sure that you have a website of your own. The reason being is you should not be building real estate on somebody else's land, right? So Instagram, I've seen shut down accounts with like 15,000 followers that were steady followers because of the fact that there was some kind of hacking situation. If you don't have your own website to build off of, then you aren't going to be making literally anything long term. It'll be good short term, but not long term. In another video, I will discuss how to be able to grow an email list and what kinds of email service provider platforms that are available. One that I use specifically, hint, hint, it's ConvertKit, and kind of ways that you can continue growing your following in a way that feels good for you outside of Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all of that. You don't, like I said, have to have all of these watch time hours and things of that nature to start getting monetized. These should be enhancements to what you are currently doing. So to be a brand influencer of some kind, if you have your own blog, you want to also start to leverage Pinterest, because Pinterest will help you long term in terms of getting more monthly views on your blog. You can get anywhere from 10 to 20,000 views, and that also means more money in your pockets, more clout and collateral when you go up to the plate to ask for money for your brand deals. Every blog post can be monetized. You could be really sneaky about how you put in the brand deal and lifestyle things and still do it in a way that's natural, that allows for you to talk about it. The last thing that I want to discuss is something that I'm part of actively, which is Amazon Partners, okay? So I don't know if it's Amazon Partners, Amazon Affiliates, Amazon Associates, that's the exact thing. So in my description box, as well as on my website, you will notice that I have Amazon links. These are links to personal products that I already use on a regular basis. Amazon will then pay me a commission if you make a purchase off of my link. And as a result of that, that is another way to make passive income without you actually having to do anything. It would be stupid of you to not sign up for Amazon Associates. Being an Amazon associate, you don't have to have a minimum. That's the other beauty of this. So if you're just getting started, please go sign up. I'll put a link in the description as to exactly what website to go to sign up to be an Amazon associate. You can do that for free today. And there is not any following that you need to have. To be an Amazon affiliate, you do have to have some kind of following, but you don't need to do that to just be an associate. Anyway, those are some ways to make money online right now, leveraging your social media, knowing that your vanity metric can actually turn into dollars. On one of my other videos on my channel, either I'll have already posted it or one that I'm going to be recording next, I will discuss how to use email marketing to help you grow, regardless of what your current following is. I think it's so important to have an email list and so important to know how to use your email marketing so that way you can bring people in. Anyway, if this video was of value to you, share it with all of your friends and family. If you're one of those people that want to know more about getting brand deals and want to kind of know the nitty-gritty details on how to get sponsored, then let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button so that way we can get this upvoted on YouTube. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. My name is Jillian DeFoot. Grace and peace.